Hey, what's going on, guys? Red Machine back on the video. Welcome back to another box break on the channel. And I finally found them. Went to my local Target. Come on, box, get on the right side. Here we go. I got myself a box of 2022-23 Upper Deck MVP with an outdated player team, Johnson Huberdeau on the Panthers, which I wish he was still on there. But he's on the he's on the Flames now. Two bonus packs included. This did kind of piss me off a little bit. Where a few years ago, usually you'll see like 21 packs in those. That was like back in the day for blasters. Last year was like 18, and we got 15. So currently 13 plus two bonus packs. Upper Deck, that's kind of scummy right there. You bastards, but it is what it is, I guess. I'm not the one who chooses to put honey packs in boxes. If I was like the owner of Upper Deck or CEO or decide what goes in what boxes, I'll definitely make it back to 21 packs for Blaster. I expect a hobby box at some point. So there's 250 cards in every box, or in the set. Sorry, the whole box. That'll be pretty cool. Look for gold script parallels available here. Last year opened a hobby. Technically this year, because 21-22 kind of went by pretty fast. So here we go. Our first time opening the new product this year. Went to Target. I did see the scalper there. There was a lot of Chrome, a lot of Select and Chronicles basketball, UFC football. They had all those. No extended series, but yeah, I also almost went for some immaculate group breaks last night. End up not though. I'm thinking about doing group breaks for Cardsmith breaks here in the future. There is a lot of packs, don't get me wrong. MVP is like opening day for baseball. There's just a lot less packs in here now, but it's whatever. So here we go. I saw Zeri open these boxes on his channel. Last year I never opened a blaster. I did open a hobby box. So here we go. Our first card is a Joe Pavelski. Definitely a nice design. Kind of similar to last year's in 1920. Or 2021. I think it's pretty close to last year's. Let me go ahead and find last year's real quick. Get me out of my closet. Ow, my back. And I had to do a nice tight squeeze in my closet. So, if you guys want to see what these cards are like compared to last year's, it's kind of similar. Still need to go for last year's set still. Stuff are pretty affordable. Hobby boxers are like $50. You guys will probably see one coming up. Alright. Pavelski, got Alex Tushk on the Buffalo Sabres. Okay, I love these cards. Got the pinpoints of Steven Stamkos. Really nice cards. I like these inserts. They have really nice inserts. But I miss the good old days of MVP where you get like dual jerseys and like the puzzle backs. I don't think they have those anymore either. Get Ice Battles Have this guy. Trying to organize my stuff here. Andres Lee. And we got a Ryan Nugent Hopkins. Let's get the whipping. Jeff Skinner. Ice Battles of this guy. John Carlson. Clayton Keller. Jake Gunzel. Expect more boxes probably in the future. This stuff is really nice. I do like it. Tomas Tatar. This guy's a brat. I think that's how you pronounce his last name. Philip something. So yeah, 2021-22 products are still coming out. That's what the ice battles look like. What's the speeds and stuff. Adam Henrik. And this guy. Don't remember what the big rookies were, to be honest, guys. I totally forgot again. I'm trying to remember what that guy from Canada was. From not Maple Leafs, Canadians. Not on the top of my head right now, but if I remember, I'll say something. Darcy Kemper, why is he not on the caps yet? Riley Smith. I would have got 2 of these, but I can only afford 1 right now. Victor Hedman. I know something about the the overall stats. Kind of off sometimes from the NHL games. Got a rookie of Jacob Levis. Our first rookie. Troy McAvoy. I like this guy, Rich Marner. One of my favorite players. Mika Genbred. Like this guy too. We got a silver script of Mitch Marner. Hey, here we go. That's a silver, right? That's not a super. Nope. Last year I got a super script number 25. Those are pretty nice. I got Ice Battles of Steven Stamkos. Mark Scheifele. Its autographs are really cheap, I see. Ryan Strome. Hey, here we go. We got a gold script of Dawson Mercer. I believe this is his 2nd year, if I remember. On that. Bob Boucher, New Jersey's the Devils. These are not numbered, but these are Blaster exclusive. I believe retail exclusive as well. But yeah, nice. Dawson Mercer. We got the Lightning Ice Battles right there. Do you like those cards? I am going to try to go for the set. Last year I said was, but I never got around to it just yet. But yeah, I'd like to go for it somehow. Boxers are still cheap. Jacob Voracek. Actually a fan of his too. I used that guy a lot in NHL 22 franchise. I got something down here. JT Miller. Let's see what we got. I think that's a retro. Retro. We got a. You got a retro of Cam Talbot. Talbot. I keep saying Talbot. Tablet. I forget what that design was. I think that's 2001 too, right? I don't remember. I'm trying to. Uh, we got another Lightning. Nikita Khrushchev, one of my favorite guys. Guy, I do like the PC actually. Sorelli. We're definitely getting the Lightnings here. Might have put a Lightning logo on the background of the thumbnail, maybe. We'll have to see. Blake Wheeler, another player I do like. Ice Battles of second year. Matty Beniers, if you guys say that name. I'm just going to go with it. Ice Battles. Philip Gruber. So maybe next month I might get a hobby. We'll see. Get that out there. Alright, where's the Ovechkins at? I got someone shiny in here. Jacob Slavin. Second year card. Ivan Profetsov. I got a pinpoint, not gold this time, of Ateni Panarin. Definitely a nice card. That is not numbered. It's the gold numbered. If I could find the gold here. No. Definitely a lot of Lightning cards though. I do like the Lightning. They're a pretty good team. They got a Kaprizov third year. David Perron. So I got a couple more packs left. There we go. Trevor Seager, second year. This guy. We got a domains of Igor Shesterkin. Or Igor Shesterkin. Pronounce that name wrong sometimes, but I do love this goalie. One of my favorites of all time, actually. I'm watching him last year in the playoffs. Ice Battles of Cam Talbot. Evgeny Kuznetsov. I was looking at one of his autographs last night, saying about pulling the trigger and buying it, actually. Carter Hart, the guy who got on the ice and had to fart. Something like that. Matt Zuccarello. This might be Patrice Bergeron's final year. I have a feeling. Ice Battles of Bunting. You got a rookie of Kent Johnson. That's number 242. Nico Hischier. And Nick Suzuki. I wonder if this guy's going to get good this year. Last year, I think he had an off year, if I remember. Was Canadians. There we got Anthony Duclair. Logan Couture. And Silver Scripts of John Tavares. You got Ice Battles of Kirill Kaprizov. I got the guy in the box, Jonathan Huberdeau. Still not on his team yet. 3 more packs left. This will definitely help me go for the base set, which I'm gonna have to get a box here soon. For this set as well. Josh Anderson. Kulacek. Ice Battles. I like how they're orange this year. And last year's. Our third Steven Stamkos. And our second Nikita Khrushchev. Back-to-back Lightnings. got another insert. Sidney Crosby, retro MVP. He could be retired here soon too. Nice one of Sid right there. Ice Battles of Alexander Barkov. Nice card. Another Cam Talbot. And Adam. What did the fox say? It did damage card, I promise. It just. Yeah, that's good. Okay. I just tapped the camera, wasn't it? Okay. Last one. So, Kyman. John Tavares checklist. Get a David Perron Ice Battles. Got another rookie. I'm guessing we're guaranteed 4 or 5. Got Dylan Sandberg for the Winnipeg Jets. Last 2 cards. Brett Burns. Alright, guys, that was it. I got 3. Let me see how many lightning cards we got here. So no Ovechkin yet. I'll definitely open another one here soon. Oh, Ice Battles. Look for that other rookie I had. What did the fox say? Sounds annoying, but it's funny. Okay, 2 lightning cards. Prizov. Got a couple Caps cards too. Definitely not bad. I don't know McDavid yet. Trevor Zeker's second year. Definitely a nice card. I wonder when we'll get Caulfield's. I'm looking here and looking to see how many lightning cards I got. I'm actually kind of curious. Okay, there we got 2. Ice Battles. Hold on, guys. What's about this one right here? One's darker than the other. I don't know if there's a parallel or not. I'll have to check it out. I don't think there's a black parallel there. Yeah, I really did check out that checklist. I think I saw it once, so that was it. I got 2 lightning cards. I guess we only got like 3 rookies. Other 3 rookies. Ice Battles, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ice battles. Recap right here. Got two of these retros. Retro. You got three of this silver scripts. Don't mind my dogs. Alright. Okay, let's count them here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lightning cards. Alright, guys, that's it for MVP right now. Thanks for watching. 21-minute video. 21. Come on, focus. See you guys later.